Once in a small town, there lived an old man named Mr. Jenkins, known for his elaborate garden filled with vibrant flowers and towering vegetables. Every morning, children would gather to marvel at his green thumb, but they noticed he never shared his secret. Intrigued, a group of children decided to sneak into his garden one day. To their surprise, they found Mr. Jenkins tending to the plants with kindness, talking to them, and even singing. Instead of scolding the children, he invited them to join him, sharing his knowledge about growing and nurturing life. As the weeks passed, the children learned the importance of patience, care, and love in cultivating both plants and friendships. Eventually, they helped Mr. Jenkins create a community garden that blossomed beautifully, bringing happiness to everyone in town. The moral of the story is that true wisdom is often shared generously, and growth, whether in gardens or relationships, is best nurtured through kindness and collaboration.